Hi guys, Ian here. We're going to look at factorisation. Now, factorisation is very important, particularly in algebra. If you have a number, its factors are the numbers that multiply together to give that number. So, for example, if you have the number 16, well 16 is equal to 8 times 2. So 8 and 2 are both factors. This means therefore if you have 3 dots in a triangle. So, therefore 8 and 2 are factors. Also 16 equals 4 times 4, so 4 is a factor. If we look at another example quickly before moving on. If we look at 15, now 15 is equal to 5 times by 3. So 5 and 3 are both factors of 15. Now if you look at an expression such as a simple expression, so we have ax where a is a number and x is a variable. Well, because it's a times by x, then a and x are both factors of the expression ax. And this is very useful. This is a very useful thing because if you imagine the expression ax plus ab, well here we have factors of this first expression. The first term in this expression are a and x, and in the second term the factors are a and b. And because we have this common factor in both of them, this a times x and a times b, we can actually take the a out and put it outside some brackets like this. And this step between that and that is called factorisation. So what we're saying is a times by x plus a times by b is equal to a times by x plus b. Now you might be confused as to why that is. If you look at the video for multiplying out brackets 1, you'll actually notice we had the expression ax plus b is equal to a times by x plus a times by b, which is exactly the same expression. So this is the theory that takes you back the other way. But if you're confused, you can think of it like as a rectangle, where if you have a line and divide it into two bits, x and b, so b is this small bit here and x is this longer bit here, and then if you have a line, perpendicular line A of length A, you can actually construct two rectangles like so, and with two small rectangles which make up one big rectangle. So we have the big area, the area of the big rectangle is the area of this one added to the area of this one. So the area of this rectangle is going to be its base times its height, so it's a times by x. And the area of this one, because this length here is also a, so the area of this one is going to be a times by b. So we have the area is equal to ax plus ab. Now what we also have is this length at the bottom here is length x plus the length b. So you can write this as being x plus b to be the base length here. And therefore the area of the big rectangle is going to be x plus b times by a. So the area equals a times by x plus b, which is the result we had by factorising. So this gives you a geometric understanding of where it comes from. Now if you look at some basic examples, you'll have something like 2x plus 2, and you might be asked to factorise. You might need to factorise this expression here. Well, if you look for the common factors, we have this is 2 times by x, and this is 2 times by 1. So we have 2 as a common factor. So you can actually remove the 2 from the brackets, and then you have 2 times by x. So here you have x. 2 times by 1, so plus 1. So we have 2x plus 1. If you look at another simple one, something like 2x plus 6. Then here you have, again, it's 2 times by x, so you have a factor 2 and a factor x. And this is 2 times by 3, so you have a factor 2 and a factor 3. So you can take out the 2, and then you have x plus 3. You might see you'll see ones with minus signs almost certainly. So you'll have something like 3x minus 9. So this is 3 times by x, and this is 3 times by minus 3 because it's minus 9. So you can take out the 3, you're going to get 3 times by x minus 3. They can both be negative values, so you can get minus 7x, for example, minus 14. So here you have minus 7 times by x, and here you have minus 7 times by 2, times by positive 2, so you're going to get minus 7, which you can take out, times by the x plus 2. Now the x it doesn't have to just be the number value, the variable itself can also be a common factor. If you imagine you have x squared plus 2x, x squared is x times by x, so you have factor x. 2x is 2 times by x, so you have a factor x. So this time you can remove the x from the brackets, so you'll get x times by x plus 2, and it's factorised form. That's about it really for basic factorisation. Yeah, I'm available for Skype lessons, as I keep saying. So if you want Skype lessons, just hit me up. My email address is down there. So until next time.